Hi, my name is Christina, and I first heard about the Goodieco products when it showed up as an ad on my Facebook feed. I was in the market for a new skin regimen and had heard a lot about oil cleansing, so I wanted to give this a try. I went online, I took their quiz, and within a week, I received a 3-step program with a cleansing oil, a nourishing oil, and a Rosacea Dream Serum as my 3rd step. As promised, within 7 days, I really started to see a significant change. My problem areas were redness around my nose, enlarged pores, and dry patches on various places on my face. By day 7, the redness around my nose was non-existent, and by the time I reached the 30-day mark, my skin was glowing. The pores had been significantly reduced, dryness was no longer an issue. Every single day that I used this product, my skin was left feeling nourished and hydrated, really pampered. The products have quality essential oils in it. They smell wonderful, and they don't leave your skin feeling dried out or greasy. They really worked well for my ethnic skin. The cleansing oil melts makeup right off your face. All you need is a warm cloth and you're done. The makeup just disappears. At the end of the day, it truly was worth every penny. I'm 33 years old. I've used a lot of different products, and none of them have left my skin feeling as hydrated and pampered as this line has.